Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Yo guys, I honestly love GOGO MAWENI, not because of her man-bewitching ways, but because she teaches us things we did not know. She recently taught us how we can lend money to people without the fear of being lawyered or targeted, because people in the black community you guys. So watch her tutorial on how to give people imali or charity. So without wasting your time, check out this video and subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.
So hey guys, it's GOGO MAWENI. Just a quick one. I've decided that every day when I do something in the Ndumba, I'll take a random video just to give you some form of knowledge. For people abathanda ukubolekisana ngemali. Sorry, I'm preparing iskupu for someone. Let me put that one side. For people abathanda ukubolekisana ngemali, guys. Uthanda ukubolekisana ngemali, uthanda ukuphisana ngemali. What you do is you just snip off the corner of the money. It could be you're borrowing 1,000 rand. And if you're borrowing 1,000 rand, you need to bite off all the tips of that money, right? So, okay. I guess my teeth are not that sharp. Hey. So I just want to give you that. So something like that, right? You snip it off that much, okay? And then you can borrow whoever you want to borrow. So this little piece, one for me, gentleman keep indumba, or you can just throw it away randomly. So even if you borrow somebody money, it will never work into abafuna ukuyenza, whether abafuna ukukuvala, whether abafuna ukwenzani, yeke isebenze. So just remember, in everything that you do, mabolekisana ngemali, uthanda ukuphisana ngemali, just snip off the tip of the corner and then continue and you'll be fine. Thokozani.